ultimate weapon. Power to fuel my revenge. Revenge against Sonic!
X marks the spot.
Last of the science poll thingies are in. Ready to go online, Tails?
I've been ready since this crazy weather started. I've never seen anything like it. And I've seen lots of crazy things. If this keeps getting worse, it's gonna be game over for the world.
Okay, Amy, batter up. Whew. Whoa!
Must have charged us up somehow. These powers are incredible.
Incredible times a million. That was the most insanely awesome thing I've ever seen. Tails, did you catch that?
I saw the whole thing. I also saw that the weather in your area improved when you closed that fissure. Meet me as soon as you can. I gotta run some tests.
And no, Sonic, you don't need to study for them.